Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best DIY lip balm is probably one of the most rewarding and surprisingly simple beauty projects you can do at home. You'll not only save money but also have complete control over the ingredients, ensuring that your lip balm is free of harsh chemicals and perfectly tailored to your needs and preferences, whether you prefer a subtly tinted balm or one packed with nourishing oils and butters. Let's dive in and create the perfect lip balm for your unique needs. Number 5. CATKIN Lip Balm C04 Rainbow. It's infused with color reviver technology that adapts to your lips' pH for a custom glow lasting up to 6 hours. This balm also features nourishing ingredients like phytosterols and vitamin E for ultimate lip care. This special formula keeps lips hydrated, luscious, and nourished all day long. The soothing agents improve your lips' natural tone with an ultra-volumizing effect. It nourishes your lips, giving them a perfect smooth texture. Its pampering formula provides rich care and essential protection from drying out for sensationally soft lips. With pH-activated ingredients, it applies clear, then reacts with your lips' natural pH levels. This leaves your lips looking perfectly pink with a shimmery glow. Easily customize your look with natural colors. After 2 weeks of continuous use, you'll notice softer lips, reduced dead skin, and lighter lip lines. Using it before lipstick improves your makeup's texture, making your lips fuller and more moisturized. What we like? It adapts to your lips' pH for a unique color. This keeps your lips moisturized for up to 24 hours. If you want a personalized touch and all-day hydration, this is the one for you. What people say? The tube is too beautiful to toss. Love the magnets on the tube. It clicks firmly together. They glide on smoothly, feel light on my lips, and last. First, the packaging is gorgeous. The lipstick case itself is so beautiful and has the added bonus of having a magnetic closure. Fantastic. Second, the lip balm itself glides on smooth and silky. First of all, my skin is of a medium complexion with olive undertones, and this showed up beautifully. Second, I don't wear makeup often, and I've gotten out of the habit of wearing any lip color. This is such a suitable, happy medium for me. Third, I'm very sensitive to the feeling of stuff on my skin. But this BAABBBYYYY, I am so thrilled to have discovered this brand and product. It delivers a very light but nourishing feel with it being too slimy or sticky or dry. When I have this on, I don't feel tempted to take it off like I do with others because it's just that comfortable. Number 4. DIY Lip Balm Kit. Ready to create your own custom lip balms? This kit has everything you need to get started, from tubes to labels. We use only the finest BPA-free materials to ensure your lip balms are safe and healthy. It's perfect for natural ingredients. This kit includes 50 empty lip balm tubes with caps, each with a capacity of 3/16 ounces, 5.5 milliliters. That's plenty of space for your creations. The included filling tray and spatula make filling the tubes quick and easy, minimizing mess and maximizing efficiency. With 50 writable and 50 printed stickers, you can customize your lip balms with unique designs and labels. Get creative. This complete kit provides all the essential components for making your own lip balms. Start crafting today. What we like? It comes with empty tubes and all the tools you need to make your own lip balm. You can customize it to your liking and save money. If you enjoy crafting and want a cost-effective option, this kit is perfect for you. What people say? The tubes fit snugly inside the holder, preventing any spills or messes when pouring the chapstick. This was a great starter set to make your own lip balm. High-quality tubes and the stickers are a great touch. The tray makes it easy to pour. Arrived on time in a sturdy box. This is the first time making my own lip balm. This is very easy and convenient to use. No mess and spills means no waste. The labels are a nice touch to personalize each tube. They can be cleaned and refilled again so I can try different recipes and consistencies. Number 3. Project MC2 Lip Balm Lab. Get ready to explore the exciting world of science and beauty with this amazing kit. Let's create some awesome lip balms. It's time to design your own lip balms. You'll learn about science while expressing your creativity. Create unique single or multi-layer lip balms in 4 delicious flavors. The possibilities are endless. Decorate your lip balm tubes with fun labels and stickers. Make them truly your own. This kit makes a fantastic gift for anyone who loves crafting and beauty products. It's perfect for birthdays or sleepovers. Everything is included: wax base, beads, measuring tools, containers, flavor droppers, shimmer, and easy-to-follow instructions. Let's get started. What we like. It's a fun and educational kit that teaches kids about science while making lip balm. It's a great gift for creative kids. If you are looking for a fun and educational activity for children, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Did this for my daughter's 9th birthday party. Very easy for the 9-year-olds to do. You must make sure the water is boiling temp or it won't dissolve the beads though. I purchased this for an older child, 11, who is starting to love beauty products and enjoys making things herself. Although the Science STEM lab is appealing, that is not why she loves this kit, so it's not just for girls who like science, but also for kids who just like hands-on activities. After reading some of the other reviews, I agree that there may be some adult supervision required for younger kids, boiling the water, but with an older child who already loves to be in the kitchen it wasn't an issue. I told her what to do and was there, but she was able to do everything herself, even clean up. I asked her what she thought of the balm after it was made, and she said it felt just like the balms we buy at the store, and that her lips didn't feel chapped after using it. My 10-year-old daughter got this for Christmas. We made the first one together and she's been able to create the rest independently. She loves them and is so proud to be able to do it on her own. Number 2. Belladonna Lip Balm, 200 CT. These unlabeled lip balm tubes are ready for your personal touch. Add your own labels and create unique gifts for any occasion. It's formulated with natural ingredients like shea butter, vitamin E, and aloe vera. Experience soft, nourished lips with every application. They're ideal for parties, weddings, or as promotional gifts. Give them out at trade shows or use them as stocking stuffers. They're a great promotional item for various businesses, from doctors' offices to law firms. Make a lasting impression on your clients. This bulk pack contains 200 pre-filled tubes, ensuring you have plenty on hand. Choose from cherry, peppermint, or vanilla flavor. Made in the USA with natural ingredients, it's safe for everyone. Your satisfaction is guaranteed. What we like. It offers a large quantity of pre-filled tubes perfect for events or giveaways. You can add your own labels to personalize them. If you need a lot of lip balms for an event or want to create a unique brand, this bulk option is ideal. What people say. Simple ingredients, lovely smell, and feels great on your lips. I purchased this lip balm because I wanted to add my own design, and it was absolutely perfect. The balm came without any pre-existing design, giving me a clean slate to customize it just the way I envisioned. The quality of the product itself is great, and the smooth, blank surface made it easy to apply my own branding. Lovely smell, great consistency in balm, plain, unpackaged and ready for branding. Arrived in excellent condition and fair time frame. Number 1. Purple Ladybug DIY Lip Balm Kit. Get ready for hours of fun creating your own personalized lip balms. This kit has everything you need to make 10 unique lip balms with 3 amazing flavors. It's made with only the best natural ingredients, so it's gentle on your skin and perfect for sensitive lips. No harsh chemicals here. It's not just fun, it's educational. You'll learn about mixing and creating while having a blast experimenting with different flavors and colors. Looking for a unique and thoughtful gift? This kit is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It encourages creativity and self-expression. Personalize each lip balm with the colorful stickers included. You'll create unique gifts for friends or keep them all for yourself. What we like. It includes everything you need to make 10 lip balms with natural ingredients. It's a fun and safe activity for kids. If you're looking for a creative and safe DIY project for children, this kit is perfect. What people say. This product is foolproof. We just added all the ingredients into a Wilton candy melts pot. No measuring needed. This was fun and you could easily make 15 to 20 of them. It makes a lot. Very kid-friendly and fun kit to make lip balm, with 3 different flavors. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.